this video we are to look at CSS Colors. CSS Colors. I do welcome you to Palmos Foundation Elite Schools. I'm your friend Ahebwa Martin, your computer trainer. This is my number. At the same time, my email address. You can access me via those addresses. So now, skills to learn in this video, we have CSS Colors. CSS Colors. You have been seeing us applying since the start of these CSS tutorials. You have been seeing colors. We have been applying colors, different colors, that is red, blue, green, and others, color codes, etc. So we are saying that CSS or cascading style sheet uses color values to specify a color. Typically, these are used to set a color either for the foreground of an element, i.e. its text, or for the background of the element. So we can say that they can also be used to affect the color of borders and other decorative effects. So let's see. You can specify your color values in various formats. Following table lists all the possible formats. So let us see all the possible formats of colors. So use it in CSS. Let's continue and see. So we have a format, syntax, and example. So we have a format here, syntax, and an example. So we can say hexacode. Hexacode. So the syntax of a hexacode is this, and example on how we use a hexacode is paragraph, then color, then star, FF, like that. So now we have a short hexacode, that is RGB. RGB stands for red, green, and blue. So we have it, which is the color here. Example how we can use it. It's here. This is the color code of it. So this is it. So then we have RGB, red, green, and black in percentages. So we have this one, red, this one, and this one. So we have it in this format. These are all ways on how we can write or we can include the color codes or color formats into our HTML. So we have RGB absolute, that is it here. We have keyword, aqua, black, etc. And this is how we can apply them. So if we continue here, these formats are explained in more detail in the following sections. So let us see them: CSS colors and the hexacodes. So we are saying that a hexadecimal is a 6-digit representation of a color. So we are saying that the first two colors, the first two digits, that is R represents red value. The next two are of green value, that is JG, and the last are the blue value, that is BB. A hexadecimal value can be taken from any graphic software like Adobe Photoshop, that is just Paint, Photoshop Pro, or even using advanced paintbrush. So all those ones provide color codes. You can get them from there. That is a hexadecimal value. So each hexadecimal code will be preceded by a proud or hash sign. So this one. So a pound or a hash sign, this hash. I think you can see it here, this hash. So following are the examples of, the following are the examples to use hexadecimal notation. So let us see. We have the color here and the color hex. So we have this color. So this is black. So this is red. So this is red. So if we continue, we have other colors here. This is green. This is blue. This is yellow. This is also another color here, as how you're seeing it. So we have another color here, as how you're seeing it. Also this one and this one also. So now let's continue and see CSS colors, or what we call short hex codes. Short hex codes. This is a shorter form of the 6-digit notation. In this format, each digit is replicated to arrive at an equivalent 6-digit value. For example, we have this, it becomes this. So this is short hexa codes or CSS colors. So if this one is given into the hexa codes, it becomes this. So a hexadecimal value can be taken. From any graphic software like Adobe Photoshop, as how I've talked about them, just Paint Shop Pro, or even using advanced paintbrush. My dear friend, let us see in the next video. So my dear friend, thanks for watching. Continue to like, continue to subscribe here at Palmos Foundation. I'm still your friend Ahebwa Martin. Bye for now.